Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be preparing nutritious beetroot dry curry. So let us understand the ingredients required to prepare this curry. You require some beetroot. Here I have grated the beetroot finely. 1 sliced onion, an inch of grated ginger, handful of peanuts, jeera or cumin, asafoetida, salt, red chili powder and oil for frying. Also a handful of curry leaves. So to begin with, heat up the kadai or the wok with 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil has slightly heated, add the peanuts and saute for about a minute. Add a pinch of hing or asafoetida, cumin seeds. Ensure not to burn the peanuts. Add the curry leaves. Add the grated ginger and onions and saute. Add a pinch of salt. Here in this recipe I have used groundnuts or peanuts. Traditionally you could also use chana dal or black gram dal. If you are using any of those ingredients, then please ensure that they are soaked for a few hours before preparing the recipe. Once the onions have slightly turned brown, add the grated beetroot. Saute for a few minutes. Add the chili powder and combine. Add half a glass of water and let it simmer on low flame. It's been 5 minutes that the vegetable has been cooking under low flame and the curry is ready for you. Optionally, you can garnish with some grated coconut. If not, just have it as it is. It is really delicious and yummy and quite healthy. Hope you have enjoyed this recipe. If you have, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Nice day, guys.